What's up, William? Sat there. Just got your blades out of that box. Took me like 20 minutes to get all the stuff off. I wanted to save the nylon. You can tell I just got up. I'm really groggy. This is how it is as I just got it. I have not touched the blade yet. Yeah, definitely easier to work with a blade like this than it is, a totally dull edge. You can tell it'll cut paper. Won't quite swipe. Won't shave. But we're gonna get it. This is the blue one with the with this sire. So we're gonna go ahead and get it prepped and get it razor. Stay tuned. This is how it is after the sharpening. Got the way, Dora. Alright, same sword after the set treatment. We are back. Round two, the green one. Ooh, nice little fit in the side. Haven't touched this sword yet. This is out of the box. You know, it's okay, just like the other one. Not bad. It'll swipe. I guarantee it won't. Nah, it's ripping. All right, stay tuned. And the very last sword. As you saw, it was, it would draw cut paper. Stupid sharp. Just trying to do a curlicue sliver. And as you can see, no damage. Alright, well, it's a pleasure working on these, my friend. Stupid sharp. Do a push test, wrap it up, and I'll get these boxed up and be sent off to you tomorrow. That was my fault, my hand turned. Anyway, you get the point. It's crazy sharp. So let me know what you think. Comment, share, like, whatever you want to do. And just as a side note, for anyone wanting to buy a new sword, this is the third HSTS I have had in my hand. They are all the same quality. Nothing is loose on these swords. Everything is tight. They can be made razor sharp, as you saw. And about $315 because he's using different Sageo now, I believe, on these. Japanese silk, I believe. But yeah, man, it's an honor, pleasure. Thank you.